moving on to the next query. This one is on Reliance Industries actually. The viewer is holding 450 shares at an average price of 880 rupees. They have a significant profit right now. Kunal, what do you think is the next target that they should be looking at, or should they book some profit right now?
No, I think why book profits in Reliance Industries, and since you've purchased that price, which has been 880, I think if I'm not wrong, I remember this to be the COVID low for Reliance Industries. I'm not sure whether it was price adjusted, but it was closer to that kind of a point for the stock price. It's been a phenomenal uptrend for the stock. Continues to look attractive. You can't have a point where the markets continue to make life highs and move up higher, with Reliance Industries lagging behind by a huge margin, both in terms of time as well as in terms of price. On the higher side, difficult to ascertain a target as such for Reliance Industries, but we've seen historically that when the stock scales past above its previous life highs, whether it was in 2022, 23, or even prior to that, it has a tendency of moving up at least by a margin of 15 to 20% further from those levels. So if in case the stock breaks past about the 1600, 1640 barrier, then we could be looking at another 250 to 300 points on the upside, potentially over the next 1 to 3 years.
All right, so that is Reliance Industries. Let's move on to the next question. This is coming from Jay Krishnan from Kozhikode, Kerala. He says that at what levels can he enter Maruti for the next 6 months? Kunal, let me come to you for this one. Maruti, for the next 6 months, is this a good entry level?
Well, it's a good stock, but not a precise entry level as such, because I would believe that the recent corrective wave where the stock was around the 15,000, 15,200 kind of a range, that's a good range to buy Maruti, because that's where I would believe that a lot of supports, retracement, price, demand zones would probably originate for the stock price. So currently the stock is at 16,100 mark. I would suggest that wait out for a phase of correction as and how it comes by into the stock price as a good opportunity, closer to 15,200 levels for Maruti.
All right, so those are levels to watch for Maruti. Another big question coming here for BSE. It's a long-term query from Kedarnath Reddy. Sharmila, let me come to you for this one. He has 100 shares at a price of 2,500. He's clearly sitting with a profit right now, and the stock has seen a very good run-up, 60% of uptake in 2025 itself. Do you see more upside coming for this stock? He wishes to hold it for a period of about 10 years.
Yes, I think we can definitely continue to hold. Of course, I think keep revisiting, because 10 years is a very long period of time. But I think for the near term, the way our markets are, the way overall participation in the market is increasing, I think any of these names which are sort of related to capital markets are worth looking at. So BSE definitely. I think another trigger for BSE could be that when NSE goes for listing, there will be the obvious sort of interest in all the exchange sort of stocks, whether it's a BSE, whether it's an MCX, etc. So I think yes, definitely from at least a couple of.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.